Hi, if you're watching this video, you're about to embark on your pool remodel journey. The pool remodel is one of the most exciting experiences we can share with our clients. Hi, I'm Dan, project manager with Tropix Pools. Tropix Pools has been servicing, remodeling, and building pools since 1998. And today in this video, we're going to talk about time frame, budgeting, how to choose the right contractor for you, and design elements. The pool ultimately is the focal point of your backyard, and it sets the tone for your entire environment. That's why choosing the right designer for you is so crucial. Maybe you want to create a contemporary, comfortable environment, or a sleek, modern, sexy vibe. Or maybe it is a neutral tone, organic feeling. Whatever your design elements are, choosing the right designer is crucial. Our simple 3 rule of thumbs are: number 1, find someone that can maximize your budget. Nothing is more frustrating than designing this beautiful pool and then finding out it's twice as much as you anticipated spending. We all want our dollar to go farther nowadays. It's no different when it comes to pool remodeling. Number 2, make sure that your designer has the visualization tools so you understand exactly what you're getting into. It can be very frustrating to see a final product not turn out like you had it anticipated. And then number 3, find someone that shares your vision. Maybe you've gone through a million Pinterest photos or Instagram photos and you know exactly what you want, or maybe you're looking for your designer to inspire you. Whatever your objective is, make sure you find someone that truly understands your ultimate vision. So how do you go about choosing the right contractor for you? It is a complicated process. When I talk to our customers, I recommend shopping 2 to 3 contractors to make sure that they understand your design elements and ultimately are experts in the business. That is the most important part of the design process and the construction process. A pool remodel is incredibly complicated. In fact, oftentimes more complicated than a new build. And the reason being, we simply don't know what's under the ground since that pool has been sitting for 10, 15, 20 years untouched. It's not uncommon to begin demolition and find out there's structural issues, a crack in the shell, or maybe there's some beams that need reworking. Whatever the problem is, make sure you have the expert that can tackle any problem that arises. Any contractor can sell beautiful tile and finishes. However, your contractor should be every bit concerned with the potential pitfalls. Ultimately, these can have direct implications on your time frame and your budget. Nothing is more frustrating than having to come out and fix another contractor's work at double the time frame and double the budget. Make sure you find a true industry expert and specialist. Yes, a specialist costs a premium. However, they may end up saving you tens of thousands of dollars in the long run. The second biggest question I always get is, Dan, how much is all this going to cost me? Understandably so, we're all looking to stay within our budgets nowadays. It directly depends on the design elements. Maybe you want modern, sexy lighting, or you want to add beautiful firescapes that dance off the water's edge. Whatever those are, it's going to directly impact your time frame and ultimately your budget. However, most of our remodel projects for pool, coping, plaster, and tile start around $50,000 and range up to $250,000. However, if we're looking at adding additional spas, sport courts, shade areas, it's not uncommon to see that number creep up around $500,000. It just depends on what you're looking to accomplish when working with your designer and your contractor. Hopefully we answered some of your basic pool remodel questions. Check us out online at tropixpools.com. There you can find some of our other videos on pool finishes, tile, and coping. We look forward to seeing you soon.